Okay, so we'll take this factored form and we're going to expand it, which means foiling it, and we're going to clean it up, combine like terms, and we're going to get it into standard form. I need a pen. So if I put the work on another sheet of paper, right, if I have 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, 4x squared, plus 2x, minus 2x, minus 1, and what you see is your two bx terms. They're actually opposites, right? So this is just going to go to 0x, so we don't even need to write that. This is your, hold on, I'll get my hand out of the way. This is your standard form. So the way you go from factored to standard is by that distributive property, just that repetitive work. Go into the x-intercepts? Yeah? Okay, so can I move this little paper? Just a little bit. All right, so look, you want your x-intercepts. Remember, you let y equals 0 to find your x-intercepts. So which means you do the zero product property, the ZPP. Now, if you guys have figured out the shortcut to it, then you don't necessarily need to do this work. You're like, oh, if this coefficient of x is a number, that means my intercept is going to be a fraction. The opposite of that number is my numerator. This coefficient is my denominator. Here, -1 is the opposite of +1. This is a 2. If you guys understand the shortcut to it, where all it is a two-step equation. But if you have to do the work, move the -1 over, inverse operate, divide by 2, there's my 1/2. Inverse operate, divide, and there's my -1/2. So my intercepts, if I lower this, you can write it as plus or minus 1/2, or if you want to put them as points, because if we go into Desmos, that's also what we're going to find. And then we can do the y-intercept, but let's wait. Go to y-intercept. Y-intercept you're good at because it's like super easy. What's my y-intercept? Just looking at it, you should see it very good. -1. This standard form, it's staring right at you. It's right here. Remember, y-intercept, let x equal 0. That's an x. So you can either get it from here or here, but right, if you plug in here, it's kind of more work, but here if you plug it in, substitute 0 for x, it's very intuitive because anything times 0 is 0. And so you're just left with that -1, or you can write the points. Okay, I'll pause it there, and then we can, because then you're getting into vertex, axes of symmetry, concavity, so we'll wait on that. Yeah, hey, what happened?
Isn't it like step 1, step 2, like on the paper?
Hold on. They're not necessarily step 1, step 2.